Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to add music to your CapCut video. Adding music to your video can make it more interesting and engaging. And with CapCut, it's really easy to do so. So let's dive in and get started. Open up the CapCut app. The first step is to import your video into CapCut. Just tap on this plus icon and from here select the video that you want to add. Let's choose this one and this one. Here click on add. You can either record a new video using your camera's phone or import an existing one from your gallery. Once you have imported your video, tap on the music icon at the bottom of the screen. And there is an audio icon. Just tap on it. And this will bring up the music library in CapCut. Here just tap on sounds. Here you can select any audio. There are tons of options. Just use any of these. Just click on this plus icon. Now I'm going to play the video. Now you can see the music is added to your video. Once you have chosen your song, you can adjust its setting to fit your video. For example, by selecting your audio, you can increase or decrease the volume by using this option. I am going to decrease its sound to like 80%. If you want to sync your audio, just tap on it and now drag it to the place where you want it to be. For example, this is the place where I want. Also, you can trim it down by using this handle. Or if you want to split the audio, you can use the split icon to split it down. Once you're happy with your video, it's time to export it and share it. Right beside the export option, you can choose the video quality. You can use the 1080 or the 720, or you can also choose the frame rates of this one. Once you're done with this, just click on this export icon. Here it will take some time to export the video. Once it is exported, you can share it directly from CapCut to social media platforms, for example Instagram, TikTok and YouTube. And that's it. I hope this video helped you to add music to your CapCut video. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.